7. This is going to be a quick video on everything you need to know to pass your art exam. I'm going to show you where to find the resources that you need to study, and the exam is basically going to be about learning some art definitions. Basically that's just the meaning of some art words, and a little bit about surrealism and the Salvador Dali painting Persistence of Time. So I'm going to show you where to find all those resources. If you have any problems whatsoever, go to visit Miss Kalulius. She will have all the information and she'll be able to help you in the Olympus room where all the good gods hang out. So go and see Miss Kalulius if there's any problems, or come and see me and ask me any questions that you have. And I'm going to make the exam as fair and easy as possible, because really it's about just making sure that you finish Year 7 with a little bit of art history under your belt and a little bit of knowledge of art terminology and art speak. Anyway, I'll get on with it. I'll show you where to find the stuff you need to study, and I'll see you next Thursday in the exam. It's one period, and I promise you it will not be hard. Thank you. This is going to be a very quick video on where to find the resources you need to study for your Year 7 examination. I'll show you where the notification is and where all the resources are that you need to study. So what you need to do is jump onto online services. So you need to log into Canvas, and you all know how to do that, so that shouldn't be a problem. So we'll just get ourselves into Canvas. Bear with me here because my internet's incredibly slow, unfortunately. Okay, so we are in Canvas, in the dashboard. And this is what my Canvas looks like. Yours will look a bit different because yours will have all the subjects that you're studying, obviously. But I'm going to jump into our Year 7 Visual Arts, which is over here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put it into student view. So it looks like the view that you would have when you're looking at Canvas. And there we go. We're in student view now, and this is our Year 7 Canvas and how it looks on the home page. And if you want to find the notification, you need to go to Assignments. So I'm just look where my little cursor is going, onto Assignments here. You're going to jump into Assignments, click on that, and it's going to open up, and as you can see here, upcoming assignments, which is happening on November the 17th. You're going to click on that, and it opens up, and that is our Visual Arts Assessment Task 4, which is the written examination in class. I'll just open it in its own tab by clicking on there. And what it's saying is it's a one-period examination. Topics covered will be art terminology and definitions, along with questions about the Salvador Dali painting, The Persistence of Time. There will be revision material available on Canvas for this exam. You can view the Surrealism PowerPoint and Exam Revision PowerPoint on Canvas in the Year 7 module section titled Examination Revision. So what does that all mean? It's not going to be difficult to find. I'm going to show you exactly where to find it. So that's the notification which you will find in Assignments. Then you need to pop back into Modules, which is here, and look at the Exam Revision. This is the Exam Revision here. So the first port of call will be your Exam Revision PowerPoint. So we'll click on that. And we will wait for it to pop up. And there it is there. So you click on that and it will download the PowerPoint. And once it's downloaded, open it up. My sincerest apologies about the speed of this computer. And this is our exam revision PowerPoint slideshow. And you can see there it says exam revision. And I just have to open this up and play from the start. So there we go. We're on the first slide, exam revision. And basically what we need to know is each one of these terms that's happening here, like tone and texture and tints, has a definition. So tone is how dark or light a color is, e.g. light or dark red. So what I'm basically going to get you to do is give me the definition. In the exam, the word tone will appear and it'll say define tone. And you'll just need to tell me what tone is. Now you don't need to learn these definitions word perfect, okay? You just need to indicate to me that you know what the term means, and you need to give me a good example, okay, of what each of those definitions mean. So the actual definition with an example. So for tone, it's how dark or light a color is, e.g. light or dark red, okay? So each one of these definitions, and there's a few slides, then we've got a little bit of information and definitions about the color wheel, which we covered in class. And obviously all of these definitions we did discuss in class in quite a lot of depth. And then there's this more color theory as well. You know, what a secondary color is, and you say it's created by mixing two primary colors. And then you say the secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. So you just need to give me the definition and an example. So you need to learn each of these definitions. They'll be worth 1 mark each. If you get half the definition right, I'm quite willing to, if you're close to getting it correct, giving you a half mark. I will mark very fairly. And then you just need to look at the persistence of time, which is a Salvador Dali painting. Now, you need to know a little bit about this, and there's information in your visual arts process diary, but also the information is available in the exam revision. There's a PowerPoint slideshow for this as well. So I'll just get out of this PowerPoint and I will show you the other PowerPoint that you need to use. So we'll pop back into our exam revision. So we just have to step back into modules. And then that was the exam revision PowerPoint we just looked at. Now we look at the Year 7 Surrealism PowerPoint. And we open that up. And I've actually embedded this one because I've done a little bit better a job of it than the other one. So this one you'll be able to look at as an embedded PowerPoint, which makes life a little bit easier. And this one you can just slide your way through. I want you to give me a definition of what surrealism is in the exam. So that's this slide here. So make sure you know that it's art that started in 1920s. It's dreamlike art, and it includes bizarre combinations of objects. If you can say a few of those things, I'm willing to give you the marks for that definition, okay? And then we come down to all the different paintings, and this is the one that's in the exam. There'll be some information on this painting written in the actual exam and a little bit of comprehension. And like I said, I'd like you to know the definition of surrealism as well, which is that definition there. And that is basically it. So have a look at the PowerPoint, do a little bit of reading, and that should be more than enough information for you to do extremely well in the Year 7 art examination. Let me know if you have any problems, and like I said, go to see Miss Kalulius or Mr. Komenos if you have any problems or concerns. I'm very happy to help you with it at any time you require me. Thank you.